Are you craving that iconic KFC flavor but want to skip the deep frying? In today's video, we'll show you how to make a mouth-watering KFC-style chicken right in your air fryer. This recipe is not only healthier but also incredibly easy and quick to prepare. Whether you're planning a family dinner, hosting friends, or just treating yourself, this air fryer chicken will leave your taste buds dancing. What you'll learn in this video: the secret spice blend. We'll reveal the 11 herbs and spices that give KFC its signature taste. Learn how to mix them perfectly to create that irresistible flavor profile. Preparation techniques. Discover the step-by-step process for marinating and coating the chicken to ensure maximum crunch and juiciness. Air frying tips. We'll guide you through the air frying process, including the optimal temperature and cooking times for perfectly cooked chicken every time. Serving suggestions. Get creative with our serving ideas. We'll share delicious sides and dipping sauces that pair beautifully with your KFC-style chicken. Key points and examples. Marination magic. Learn why marinating your chicken overnight makes a world of difference in flavor. Crispy coating. We'll show you how to achieve that golden, crispy exterior without the guilt of traditional frying. Healthy alternatives. Using an air fryer significantly reduces the amount of oil needed, making this dish a healthier option without sacrificing taste. Benefits of watching healthy cooking. Enjoy the flavors you love while making a healthier choice for you and your family. Time saving. Air frying cuts down on cooking time, allowing you to whip up a delicious meal in under 30 minutes. Versatile recipe. This recipe can easily be adapted for different types of chicken or even other proteins. Call to action. If you're ready to take your chicken game to the next level, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Share your creations in the comments below and let us know how your air fryer chicken turned out. We can't wait to see your tasty results. Tags and hashtags. Hashtag KFC chicken, hashtag air fryer recipes, hashtag healthy cooking, hashtag crispy chicken, hashtag home cooking, hashtag quick meals, hashtag foodie, hashtag yummy, hashtag cooking tips, hashtag chicken recipe. Thank you for joining us today. Let's dive into this crispy, flavorful adventure together. Video timestamps midnight. Introduction 1:20. Secret spice blend 3:45. Marination process 5:30. Air frying tips 8 o'clock. Serving suggestions 10:15. Final thoughts. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Happy cooking!